This second video takes the configured PXI chassis created in Part 1, adds a rack mount power supply and DUT fixture adapter, and then connects everything together using the Schematic Design Tool. Firstly, model the rack mount PSU in the custom product library. The supply has 3 channels, each with a positive and negative output, and so create a 6-pin schematic device. Select a 1U panel, import the PSU image, and resize to fit the panel. Add the unit's 8-pin Power D-type output connector and cross-reference its pins to the schematic channel names. Save in the custom library and import the unit into the existing system configuration. Next, model the 3 DUT fixture adapter connectors to enable the subsequent cable development. Begin with the power connector and add to the library. In the same way, model the RF and LF connectors and add all 3 to the system configuration. To simplify schematic and cable development, we will divide the system into 3 separate subsystems, corresponding to the 3 DUT connectors. Click on the power components and create the power subsystem. Repeat for the RF and LF subsystems. For the power subsystem, click on Create Schematic Design, and its components are automatically displayed in the Schematic Design Tool. They can now be graphically connected together via the Link Pins function. Connect the 3 PSU positive outputs to the multiplexer commons, and all 3 negative outputs to the 4th common. Then connect all MUX channels to the DUT power connector. This is greatly simplified using the Auto Link function, which automatically connects all consecutive pins in one operation. That completes the power interconnections. Save and move on to the RF subsystem, importing and connecting components in exactly the same way. Lastly, the low-frequency subsystem. This needs manipulation of the matrix, which is imported with pins 50 to 128 graphically condensed. Expand these and then cut the matrix into 2 64-pin sections, corresponding to the connections on the 2 brick front panel connectors. This then conveniently lends itself to using one connector for the instrumentation and the other for the DUT connections, which will significantly simplify the final cabling. Make the appropriate connections, again using AutoLink to simplify the DUT matrix. The schematic interconnections have now been created for all 3 subsystems. In Part 3, all corresponding cable designs will be automatically created via the Cable Design Tool. To find out more, please visit pickeringtest.com/TSA.